Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. She's lovely. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
Hey guys, as promised, I am trying to film this at an angle. I am currently waiting for my mirror to arrive, which I'm praying that it works well. This is just a temporary, you guys remember this from my condo. It used to be in the living room. I think I'm gonna put it out on the deck at some point. This is the deck. I have quite a large deck, which has great water views. I don't know if you can see that there. It's so cold outside right now that I am not going out there, but you guys will see that soon. This is the entryway. This is the guest room. Currently I have my shoes in there. That is the guest bathroom, which is actually pretty nice. Hey guys. It has this nice little enclosed that's pretty tall. I'm gonna use this. It needs to be cleaned out, but I'm gonna use this. It's just like extra linens. That's the goal. I am also trying to do the curtain hack where you do curtains for a shower curtain, and you do it to its highest point. I think this is 98 inches, I believe. This is the she's chill. This is the bathroom, you guys. I had to shower here today, so it's a bit, and wash my hair for my hair appointment because there's people working on my neighbor's roof. So yeah, so a very small guest room, but enough for someone to come and visit. Okay, this is a linen closet. I'm sorry, this is a washer laundry room, which I'm waiting this weekend. I'm getting a stackable just so I can maintain the space. So I can maintain the space. This is just my extras and my hot water heater. I believe that is. I wanted a stackable, and I'm getting an old school one, the same one that's in my condo, just because I need to keep the space. Those like front facing ones I was looking at, it takes up so much more space. I also want to be able to hang like brooms and stuff in this closet, so I'm going to maintain that. This is the half bath, and it's also pretty spacious. Y'all forgive me, I don't have a trash bin yet. I've been just looking at which color I want, but so it's just giving trash bag currently. This is the kitchen. This again is your entryway coming in. This will be the dining space. I am in the market for a table, which I think I found. I had a meeting with a design consultant, which she's helping me pull together ideas. I don't want to just be buying stuff just for the hell of it. So I'm waiting, y'all. I'm eating food in my bedroom until then. This is going to be the living room space, as I mentioned. This is not a very, try to make zoom out. Sorry, you guys. Hope it won't allow me. So this will be the living space. My intention is not to have a lot of furniture here, but again, I need a place for a TV, maybe a bar, because I don't also have the space for that. This is my outdoor space, which, y'all, it's gonna take a minute to get this little space done, but I will at some point get the back space fixed so I can just kind of have activities and outings out there. You can see over the little bit of the horizons, over the trees, that you can see a little bit of the water, but the trees kind of, there's the people who are working on the roof, you guys. You can kind of see the water from that space. Then you come up, you have two skylights there. And you guys, listen, I also haven't cleaned, so forgive me, you guys. This room is another bedroom, which I am making a closet space. And are you gagging from this wallpaper, y'all? This wallpaper is about to be so freaking good. She's coming back over next week. We had to order more wallpaper because we are doing this kind of slant. And we're gonna have dressers there, and then we're gonna have the pack system here. I have an idea. There's a vintage table, a pie crust, I think it's called a pie crust table. It's vintage. It's too much money for me currently trying to buy other furniture, but a part of my aesthetic is I want to throw in some vintage pieces, and that table I think will be perfect here with a pink chair. And by pink, here's the bathroom. I am waiting for a washer and dryer this weekend. Today is Friday, it's coming tomorrow. I have not done a shower curtain here, which I almost feel like a nudist because I'm up in here showering, y'all, and I'm okay with it. I almost don't want to put something up, but I do already have doing a ceiling crossing mount. So it's going to be over the ceiling, and I'm going to run the curtain all the way to the end of this, but I'm probably only gonna like use that when I actually am showering. I think I'm gonna do white linen like downstairs, but I'm not 100% sure. So there's that. Again, hey guys. This is me. I purchased these little hand napkins. These are actually dinner napkins. I purchased on clearance. I think they were $8, $6. They came in a set of 10. I can use them if I'm going to do a dinner, but I also am going to use them until I decide not to, as a just hand napkins. And again, I have some in the bottom of the guest bathroom, the half bath, but I'm not 100% sure I'm actually going to use it there. But I think it's a cool way to just preserve napkins, and I can just always wash them. So that